Good news, everyone! Today Duke is taking a hike down to Beaver Lake. We're staying in Moose River Plains, which is outside of Inlet, New York. I didn't think we were actually going to get this hike because it was kind of wet and it was raining the couple days that we were there, but the last day we were there, it actually looked pretty nice. So if you notice the water along the road, we're hiking to the trailhead right now. You can see it coming up. This is the parking lot for the trailhead. It was kind of wet out, so I didn't think we were going to do it, but we made it and we did it. We're crossing the little bridge now. This is part of Moose River. I think it's the South Branch area. If you notice, there's all these bugs flying around, and these bugs are actually horseflies. Man, they were horrible. You can notice them flying around through the screen every so often. We haven't got to the trailhead yet. We're just walking the little path. It's about a 2 mile from the trailhead, so it's probably about 2.5 mile to 3 mile one way from our campsite. As you can see, the trail is actually pretty well maintained. Pretty nicely done, and I was surprised that it was actually not as wet as I thought it would be. You can see here they actually have a pipe that drains the water out, so Duke is sniffing it about, wondering what it is. He enjoys sniffing. I'm still surprised that he stays on the trail. Very good. He's running as always, and I'm running right behind him trying to keep up, but he sure gives me a workout every time we go on a little hike. There he is with his ears flopping. Moose River is actually on the right side. I don't think you really get to see it through the trees, but you could hear it while we were hiking. Just more trails. You're really surprised on how different forests take different characters. Here we are. I've stopped and took to take a picture, and you can see all those horseflies around Duke. He snaps at one, and then I get my picture, and then we actually continue on going down the trail. I was wondering when we were going to get there because it seemed like it was taking forever. But it really doesn't take forever when he runs. As you can see, they do maintain the trail. There was a tree right there that they had crossed the trail, but they had cut. You see that quite often. You see the trails are actually pretty well, most of the trails that we've been on are pretty well maintained. You can see the little water drop that's also on the screen from here. It shows you it was still wet out. Because it did rain the night before. It rained a lot the night before. So now we're actually getting close to the lake, but we're still not there yet. The trail widens a little bit. More trees down along the sides. It's a real beautiful trail. If you get there and you go when it's not the season for horseflies, I would really recommend you take this trail. Here we are, we're still going through the grass. It's getting a little narrower, which means I think we're getting a little closer to the actual lake. Duke's still running. Now we're actually going down, because in order to get to the lake you have to go down, so this is actually going downhill right now. And Duke is going as fast as he wants to, as fast as I can actually keep up with him. It was really nice. Here we are. The lake is straight ahead. We gotta run through these little bushes first. You can see it straight ahead. And when we got here, the horseflies were horrible. We really didn't stay long because I was getting eaten up, and I knew if I was getting eaten up, Duke was getting eaten up. But there's Beaver Lake in all its glory. Duke wanted to go in, but I said, nope, we gotta get out of here. And so we go. And after our little run through the field, we ran really fast. I was pretty much pulling Duke. He was really tired and going slow for once. So, still got enough energy to mark a bush though. I'm going up the hill, and the actual hike itself was probably about hour and a half to 2 hours. So really didn't get the whole hike on the GoPro, but did get most of it. Got the lake at least, so yeah. And this is the part where it actually cuts out, so thanks for watching. As always, Duke thanks you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright, bye.